Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have a Facetory Lux box to unbox. These boxes are a surprise subscription box. You get a few full-size products and then some sheet masks in each one. I've never had one of these before. I used to subscribe to Facetory back when they only offered sheet mask boxes, and I used to get those and really like them. And then recently I got a PR box from them with a bunch of their different sheet masks that they currently offer, but this one I've never had. So let's see. I have no idea what's inside. I have not peeked. Ooh, now I see one brand I know. Yada Cactus Body Lotion. I really like this brand. It was developed by a mom who is also a dermatologist, I believe, or some sort of medical professional. When her kid hit the teenage years and started having skin problems, that mom could not find suitable skincare products that would be effective yet gentle, and so she started developing her own. I'm sure she had help from cosmetic formulators, etc., etc. It's been a while since I read the brand story, so just going off of memory here, but I've had a few of Yada things. I've had their face wash, I've had their sheet masks, and they were all really good. I've also had a Cactus toner and Cactus toner pads, so high hopes for this one. Looks like a lot of stuff here. What is this? Lemuse Age Control Hand Protection. What is that? Is it a hand cream? I know this brand. I haven't had this product, but I've had their clay mask, which is really good. One of my favorite clay masks. I've had their body lotion, which had a really strong scent and I didn't love. Their lip balms are great. Oh, okay, this looks like a hand cream. I will be putting reviews for these as I use them. Of course, get familiar with them on my Instagram at KBeautyHobbit and my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com. So definitely follow me there if you want actual reviews of these products, because of course they're new to me. I have no idea. I wonder if this has some sort of SPF in it. Skin whitening and wrinkle improves smoothness. Okay, I don't think it has SPF in it. I will have to study this a little bit more. The Journey of Camellia. Antioxidant cream mask. I love masks. I wonder if this is a wash-off mask or like an overnight mask, but let's look. So in my group, Korean Beauty Fanatics, people have been asking a lot about subscription boxes and what I recommend. I haven't had one in ages because I honestly just have so many products. But I know one of the concerns was, well, in the Facetory Lux box, do you only get Facetory brand products? And so far it doesn't seem like it. These are all brands that are not Facetory's own products. Ooh. Doesn't have a ton of scent to it. It kind of smells like maybe the natural ingredients in it. It smells almost like a tad of tea tree, but not very strong at all. Again, I will be reading more about it and then using it and reviewing it, of course. What's this now? What is this brand? Peekaboo HAPHA Skin Perfecting Toner. If you tried any of these, or if you have some strong idea of which one I should try first, please let me know. This is my very own box cutter that my husband bought for me for all my packages. He has just the black ones. If that tells you anything about how many different packages I get. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I like the packaging. Glowiest. That must be the brand then. Be your glowiest self. Oh, okay, yes. Sophie Company. So I get the By Sophie boxes, or used to get them occasionally as well. Those are PR boxes, not something you can purchase, although sometimes they sell them. And then the founder, Sophie, started her own brand, Glowiest. Yes, this is why it rings a bell. I have never had any of their products, so this is exciting. I'm almost out of my current BHA toner, so I could try that one when I'm out. Alicia Coy Break Massage Cream. Massage and Cleansing Cream. I wonder how those two things coexist. A massage cream? I wonder if they mean like you're supposed to give your face a massage during cleansing, like you would with a cleansing balm. I like the packaging. It's really nice and heavy too, 7 ounces almost. Let's see if I can open this without making a mess. Ooh. Smells, it has a very faint scent. A bit floral or almost like powdery. I am making a mess. Of course I'm making a mess. Okay. I'm excited to try that. But it doesn't feel like a cleansing balm. It really feels kind of like a cleansing cream. We'll see how that works. Okay. Summer Story. Okay, here's information about each product. That's really nice because you don't always get instructions in English on the actual jars. So that's really cool. I'm going to study that. I on purpose did not open this ahead of time because I want this to be an actual true unboxing and not just like, hey, I've already researched these, let me tell you about them. I've had this mask before, I really like it. I just got more actually. This is another mask I've had before, really like it. So this first one is the Facetory brand. This is not. Be Plain. This also isn't. So yeah, it's a good assortment of brands, it looks like. If you don't want all Facetory products, which is understandable, not everybody wants everything from one brand in their box. This looks like it has a good assortment. Detail Skin. Okay. Interesting. And then here's another one. I don't know this brand. I don't know the previous brand either. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 masks. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products. That's not bad. Don't quote me on the price. I believe it is right under $50. I think it's $49.99 or $49.95. I looked at this when I was editing my Facetory sheet mask unboxing, just to see what the plans were. So I think this is about $50 retail. I got it as PR. That's not a bad price to me for all these sheet masks and all of these full-size products, provided if they work for you or not. But I will be reviewing all of them, like I said. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried these boxes or if there's some other subscription boxes that you prefer. So I just want to hear from you. Tell me what you think. What should I start with first? Which ones of these look the most interesting to you? Of course, you can find me on all my socials. On Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com. In my group, we're almost at 60,000 members now. Korean Beauty Fanatics on Facebook. I will see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin and have a good rest of summer. Thank you so much. Bye.